For making handmade papers, you will need old used papers. You can use newspaper, old printouts, any paper that is of no use to you. Cut them into strips. If you want, you can tear them. That would be easier. Then cut them into small pieces. Place these scrap pieces in a container and pour water over them. Cover it with a lid and leave it aside for 1 hour. Add these in a mixer grinder and add some water and grind them to make a pulp. The pulp should be of this consistency. For making the frame, you will need mosquito net or any net fabric that you have. Stretch it nicely. And then we need embroidery loop. The size of the paper will depend upon your embroidery loop size. Bigger the embroidery loop, bigger will be the size of the paper. Frame the net on the embroidery loop. In a container, add water and then add the paper pulp. Mix it nicely. Next, take another container or bowl. The circumference of the container should be the same as the embroidery loop. So when you pour pulp solution over this, all the excess water will get collected in this container. Pour the solution using a spoon. Lift the embroidery loop and tilt lightly to drain excess water. Now take a cotton cloth. If you have a towel, then that would be great. Place the cloth over the frame and slowly press the pulp. Let the cloth soak all the water. Now lay a cotton cloth. Unscrew the loop slowly. Leave this aside overnight for drying. To add some texture to my paper, I'm gonna add some yarns. Okay, so if you don't have net fabric, you can use thin cotton fabric. It has to be really thin. Same way, frame it on the embroidery loop. To change the color of the pulp, I am using turmeric. You can use any food color or poster color or even watercolor, but don't use acrylic color or fabric color. Next, to add some texture, I'm gonna add some leaves. You can add flowers, seeds, or even glitter to add some shine on the paper.